The Microsoft Build CLI is a GitHub Copilot CLI skill that allows you to interact with the Microsoft Build session catalog. You can use it to find sessions, topics, times, and speakers, just as you would have using the conference's traditional session catalog web pages. Because it works with GitHub Copilot CLI, the Microsoft Build CLI also allows you to connect your local project with the Microsoft Build session catalog, where it can read your dependencies and recommend relevant sessions, even helping you act on what you learn at the conference, either in person or online, all from your terminal. The first thing you need is GitHub Copilot CLI and a free account. Once you're up and running in GitHub Copilot CLI, you can install Microsoft Build CLI in GitHub Copilot CLI by running the command plugin install Microsoft Build CLI. Then you restart your Copilot CLI session and you're ready to test it out with some queries. Ask it to find sessions related to a language you're interested in. Follow up for specific information on a particular session. Even find which sessions are being presented by your favorite speakers. And once you've reviewed the session content, you can have it help you start building with the information you've just learned. You can scaffold a project from the session and walk away from your build experience with useful working code. You can learn more about Microsoft Build CLI at the project's GitHub repo.